At the time I was introduced, I was working at Autodesk, and I was introduced to dbrown consulting through a project that was focused on reporting and measuring an impact from a global enablement program that we had at the time. It was called Level Up, and I think what stood out to me immediately was the genuine interest in understanding our business before proposing solutions. You also challenged me a little bit in thinking new ways, and we partnered very closely to develop an analytical framework that actually allowed us to measure, to validate, and communicate the program results and business value. Yeah, I think it was very smooth, very flexible from your side. We were global, so we were many time zones. And what stood out to me was that highly and very professional experience in everything we did. You were always aligned with our needs and adapted pretty quickly to changing needs as well, I would say. And what I think I appreciated the most was that strategic thinking and very practical execution. I'm smiling now because I think it was a significant impact for me and my team and the organization. We gained so much more visibility into the effectiveness of our training and enablement initiative, which is hard to measure in reality. But we were able to validate user engagement, we were able to measure business impact, tailor our communication, and clearly demonstrate the value. And that level of insight helped us to strengthen the internal support for continuing and expanding these programs. So it was pretty significant for us. Very high professionalism and exceptional focus on quality. I think I always got more than I expected. And you took the time to really fully understand the foundation and structure behind the data. Also on our side, that we understood it, which made it so much easier for us to use and trust afterwards. And I think you always delivered beyond my expectation. And you also challenged my initial thinking about what was able to be measured within enablement, which I really enjoyed. And in that way, you also helped us think more strategically and uncover some insights that we hadn't even considered from the start. I think absolutely, I would love to work with you again. And even now, I have continued to build my very newly established consultancy business, and I think dbrown Consulting would be my first choice whenever that expertise you have is needed on my side. And I know I can rely on you for that. You have very strong capabilities in data and analytics, but also very thoughtful coaching, strategic guidance, and trusted advices. I think what makes you stand out is that combined technical expertise, but also that genuine interest and willingness to support and challenge your clients the right way. I think that's what's standing out to me. Honestly, I want to encourage dbrown Consulting to continue to build on what you already do exceptionally well. That forward-thinking approach that you have, especially with AI and analytics. Lots of people talk about AI, but I don't think you're just following the trend. You are actively shaping conversation and educating others in the field as well. I think what will continue to make you successful is also balancing innovation with that human aspect of consulting in the new AI world. It's powerful, but I think organizations also need that trusted advisory and that guidance you are able to give both strategically and practically. think there might be some exciting opportunities for you to continue exploring new areas, more around AI-driven applications, coding solutions that can help businesses accelerate this transformation in a smarter way. But I would like to close off to say that I think you need to continue to stay curious, innovative, and deeply customer focused as you are, because that mindset, I think, is one of your greatest strengths. And I want to congratulate you, and Yen, on your anniversary. It's amazing, 20 years in this business. So congratulations to David Brown and team for that.
Thank you so much.